Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Amazon Flex. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you haven't installed the application on your device already, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device and tap on the search box and type in Amazon Flex and start your search. Once you find the application, you can tap on the install button and proceed forward with the installation. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it up and then tap on create an account. You will then be taken into the Amazon account creation page where you will be asked to enter your desired credentials. You will need to enter your first and your last name followed by your email address and then type in your desired password. After typing in both your email address and your password, you can proceed forward and you will be asked to check your inbox to verify your account. Just log into your email address and verify by entering the verification code. Once you enter the code and proceed forward, you will be signed up and your account will be created right away. And now you will be able to use the Amazon Flex services on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Amazon Flex. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.